If you're new here, I'm Day. Thank you for clicking on my YouTube channel. This week I had big chop my hair for the third time. Yes, I got rid of this mohawk that was in the middle. Now my hair is even all the way around. I will not be cutting my hair anymore. So if you want to see how I adjusted to this third big chop, just keep watching this video. I'm about to cut it off. I'm done. I'm just done with it. Boy, this is new. I hope my little method works. Okay. I think I'm gonna pull it out to right here. Should I cut under or above? I think I'm gonna cut above it, just in case I need a little bit. Or should I just cut right here? We're gonna go for it. Okay, we gonna cut above. I have short hair in the middle now. There's no going back now. Look at all my hair. My wavy soft hair. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. But like I said, there's hats, right? At least now I don't have to fight with that big poof on top of my head to put a hat on. Putting a hat on will be much easier. It's gonna be a hat week. A hat week, Jesus. This is a hat week. Do you see this? What is this? Why is this? What is going on? This is gonna be a hat week. Oh my gosh. We gonna make this work. It's not the end of the world. It's just hair, right? It's just hair. I feel a lot better now. I'm just about to go ahead and wash my face and get ready for work. So I'm not putting on any makeup because I'm still doing my all natural challenge. That has been going pretty well. It's not easy. Like today, I really wish I can fill in my eyebrows, especially with my hair being short, but whatever. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. Good morning to you. Morning, Titus. Ready for work. I'm about to get my lunch and go take Titus to daycare, and This is gonna be my first time wearing my hair out. I was gonna wear a hat, but I'm just gonna wear my hair out. It is what it is. I actually like it now. It's fine. I like it. Titus, what do you think of mommy hair?
Oh, it's nice.
You think it's nice?
Yeah.
Thank you. Today is day 12 of my all natural challenge. Today's post says learning to rely on Jesus removes a lot of unnecessary pressure. The Lord really put that in my spirit this morning, and I feel really good today. So I'm about to get to work. This is how I start the day. And I also journal. Working in a homeless shelter can be very stressful. You have to make sure you fill yourself up before you can pour into other people. But today, just walking in, sometimes these ladies really, they blessed me for real. Sorry for getting emotional, but God really used them to bless me too, for real. I'm not just here to help them. I just really didn't think I would even like this job when I first got it, or that it would be too much. But this is exactly where I should be. God doesn't make any mistakes. And I'm so grateful for this job. All right, y'all, I'm done being mushy. I'm about to get to work. Hey, sunshines. I'm taking my lunch break. I decided to go sit by the lake. I enjoyed my lunch. Just taking a minute, just take a break. Sometimes you really need to do that to relieve stress. Just take a minute to yourself and just get some fresh air. I love being by the water, so I just love being in nature, period. I've mentioned that before, and just seeing the things that God does. So it feels really good out here right now. It's not too hot. It's just the perfect temperature. Hey, sunshines. I didn't really define it today. I just kind of took the bonnet off and sprayed some refresher spray in it and let it be that. And I kind of brushed my edges a little bit, but I didn't apply any gel or anything. Did you know, it's so crazy. The main person that I was more concerned about seeing my hair was really gassing me up, and they were really genuine, and it really surprised me. So I was really worried about this one person's opinion, and they actually really love my hair. Sometimes the things we worry about is just so futile and unnecessary, and I really prayed about that interaction when that person would see my hair. Just don't worry about certain people's opinion, or just because you think somebody is ignorant. When you give things to God, God will work it out, and that really helped me feel even better about it, because the fact that I gave my word to God and God made that interaction just so pleasant and nice. It wasn't as bad as I thought it would be, and I'm just grateful that I can give my words to God. So whatever you're worried about, if it's someone's reaction to your hair or someone's opinion, you can give that to God. It's nothing that God considers too small or too minor. If you're worried about something, you can pray about it, and God will hear your prayers and answer you. So yeah, Don't be afraid to let your light shine. Just be who God called you to be. So I got this recipe from the Glam Twins in one of their recent vlogs. They are some of my favorite YouTubers. They made this recipe. I did add a few tweaks of my own. The things that I did different was I actually sauteed the onions and I added mushrooms and cheese. They're lactose, so they don't really eat cheese. I'm trying to lay off the cheese, but it's a process. I have given up milk and I just drink almond milk, but really that's it as far as dairy is concerned. I'm like not lactose and I really like it, but it's a process. I'm trying to give it up. And I threw on my hat because my hair sweated out. It's not because I don't feel comfortable, but it's just, it sweated out and it wasn't defined. My hair is dirty. I need to wash it. So this is what I'm wearing. Looking like a comfortable, hippie, chic, sporty, bougie type of vibe thing going on, but it is what it is. Time to go get the Bambino.
When you get a coin and a party. You get a coin party. You get a coin party. Waka waka.
Big chop number 3. The last time I'm cutting my hair, I will be making it even because honestly I did not cut it as even as I would like. I will be trimming it out, making it even, but for right now, like, I'm good right here. It will be going no shorter whatsoever. I'm done cutting my hair from now on. I will be growing my hair out. I will have a video about my TWA update and how long it officially is, so be on the lookout for that. Today is day 14 of my 30-day natural challenge. I'm not going to give you guys too many updates about how the natural challenge has been going because I plan on making a video about that strictly, so I'm not going to share about that, but this video was strictly about the big chop and me cutting my hair, and it has been a journey with my hair so far. I told you guys it was a hair journey, and it definitely is a hair journey. I never in a million years would have imagined me cutting my hair this short, and this is a big adjustment. Every day I wake up and like it's something new. Like, what I'm gonna do today? What products am I gonna put in it? How I'm gonna style it? And am I wearing my hat? Am I covering up my hair? Am I showing my hair? And I really like when I show my hair. I don't like having the hat on all the time. But this has really shown me appreciation for hair, and for people who don't have the choice to say they want to cut their hair and they just lose their hair. Like, I actually had the option to do that, and my heart goes out for them. And I just pray that you embrace if your hair is short and that you still feel beautiful, because today I actually accepted my hair being this short. And I pray the same thing for anybody who may be going through that you embrace how short your hair is, and that you know that you are still beautiful and that you are not defined by the length of your hair. Know that you are still fearfully and wonderfully made. You are still beautiful. Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. I posted another quote by Andy Warhol. Everything has its beauty, but not everyone sees it. You do not need validation from everyone. God knows who you are, and he created you that way, and God don't make no junk. Okay? So yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to get back to work. Remember, never compare. Be inspired. Let your light shine. Thank you for watching, and God bless.